Hola, I'm Yvette with Muy Bueno Cookbook.com, and today I have a special guest. This is my mama, Vanji, and she's going to teach us how to make
Chiles Rellenos.
Yay! My mom was a single parent mom and always made this dish. She made the homemade flour tortillas, added the chile relleno with some homemade refried beans, and oh, I can't wait.
And I used to sell them all.
Yes, she used to work at a garment factory and used to sell these during her lunch hour, and they were a hit. So she's going to teach us how to make them.
Let's go.
So here we have our chiles. What kind of chiles are we using, Mom?
Anaheim.
Okay, the chiles are ready. We've roasted them, we've peeled them, and now it's time to do what, Mom?
To stuff them with queso Oaxaca.
So I noticed you're only cutting them halfway, Mom. How come?
Because that way you can slide the cheese in there. Mm-hmm. And you won't have the whole chili open.
I think I've had that little gadget for over 20 years.
Well, yeah, I've had it longer. It comes out very handy. In fact, I have two of them.
Here, I'll help you. Yes?
Yes, thank you.
So we're adding the egg whites. Mm-hmm. And do we want to mix that first, Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
It's going to take a little while. We used to use that.
The hand mixer?
Yeah, the hand mixer.
Okay. So yeah, you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer using this attachment.
Get all the egg around it.
That looks good. Is that the right
So
consistency?
it's already, yeah, it's dry.
So this is a cream of tartar.
Just to hold it up a little bit.
Salt. And pepper.
Just throw it all in there. Okay, see how clean it came out? Mm-hmm. I put all the yolks all at the same time. Yes. Just whip it a little bit. You just kind of like fold it in. Okay.
Oh, so really quick mix. And so then you just incorporate the yolks again, make sure it's all in there.
Yes. Okay, we're ready.
Okay, and then we also need to flour our chiles, don't we?
Yes, we have to flour the chiles first so that the egg will stick to the chile.
Salt and pepper.
I'll just mix this with my hands.
Just dredge them in the flour so that the batter sticks better to them.
Yes. You do as many as you can. Fill this chile with the egg.
Give it
Kind of drench it.
a little bubble bath.
Yeah. Fill it up really pretty, fast as you can.
Yeah, I think that's the intimidating part with chile rellenos is you kind of have to work fast before your batter settles, huh?
Right. It starts getting runny. I like to do it with a spatula. It kind of helps me a little bit more.
Oh, those are like perfect golden color. Yeah.
Even though it's really hot, it works really well.
So, Mom, I have a confession.
What?
I have never made chile rellenos.
Okay. Try flipping that one up.
I always bake them.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
this is definitely more of a
Yeah. Try not to.
not to mix the batter.
Yeah.
Oh, this takes practice, guys.
Yes.
Not as beautiful.
Yeah. See all that batter,
Yeah.
and then flip it over. It'll go in there.
And it folds back into itself.
Ready? Just like that. Not so much. Maybe not so much because remember the chile is kind of thick.
Okay.
You don't want to overpower the chile relleno.
Like that? Okay.
And then put the chile.
Yeah, look at it fits perfectly. And then here we have some ranchero salsa.
Now you ask, see if they want it.
I like spicy.
Okay.
So
Then you do it.
like this?
Yes.
Yum.
It's done.
Okay. Thank you, Mama, for teaching us all how to make chile rellenos. Now I can make them at home.
I hope so.
So you ready? Let's dig
Yes.
in. We got the
Okay.
refried beans,
Uh-huh.
chile relleno,
And the
ranchero salsa. Oh my gosh, nice and warm.
Let's see. Got it? Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see.
It's so good.
Okay.
Get flood of memories just taking a bite of this. Amazing.
It did come out good. Very delicious.
Está muy bueno.
Está muy bueno.